Good morning. Good morning. How are you? How are you? How are you? I am fine. I am fine. What is your name? What is your name? My name is Mia. My name is Mia. Where are you from? Where are you?
You.
From? I am from Pakistan. I.am from Pakistan. Do you speak English?
Do.
Do you speak English? Yes, a little. Yes, a little. What time is it? What time is it? It is 7 o'clock. Are you bussy? No, I am free. No, I am free. Let's have breakfast. Let's have breakfast. Would you like tea? Would you like tea? Yes, please. You are welcome. You are welcome. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. How is the weather? How is the weather? It is sunny today. It is SUNNY today. Do you have a job? Do.you have a job? Yes, I do. Yes. Yes, I do. What do you do?
What?
What do
You.
you do? I work in an office. I work in an office. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. I like this meal. I like this meal. Let's eat lunch. Let's eat lunch. The food is good.